a pothole. I don't really know what this is. Hi guys, good morning. We had a very big day we wanted to do. We were gonna go hiking today. I'm like in like 5 layers basically. Except I think we took us to the wrong state park we're gonna go to.
Yep.
I don't know, I guess I'm just like super confused. So we were gonna go to this park and like there's one in Wisconsin and then there's one in Minnesota apparently, and I must have put down the Wisconsin one because we were driving for like an hour to the state park. There's like nobody at the visitor center or anything. I don't know. It was just very confusing basically. And so we're gonna go just to the falls because I'm not really sure. I don't really know. We don't really know what we're doing. Right, babe?
Yep.
So we're just gonna freeball it now. We're gonna go to the falls. So yes. We ended up going to Wisconsin for no, I don't even know why we're in Wisconsin. But yeah, we're gonna go now. Welcome to Minnesota. Hey, we're back. We finally made it, yeah.
Do it.
No. So we've been hiking for like 3 hours. No, we haven't. We should wait. We've been hiking for 30 minutes.
Okay.
We just started.
Why you always saying come on? Why you always saying come on? When we went to Wisconsin, I think over there is the park that we went to, and over here is the Minnesota side of it because we drove back to Minnesota. So I think over there was a park. If we did stay in Wisconsin, I think we would have walked over there and would have saw over here. And then on the river trail, we're hoping that we're gonna cross the falls on this trail, but we weren't sure when looking at the map. So we'll see. Alright, so we keep going down this trail. We're gonna lead us back to where we got lost in the beginning, trying to find the state park. We didn't record that earlier, but it's a little embarrassing, so we're just gonna come back and turn around, go find another trail.
Whoa. That is huge.
Whoa. Let go.
Hey guys, so we just finished hiking. We're back in the car warming up. He ate a Cliff Bar, not hangry no more. I think we might go and get some food before we head back home and do home stuff.
Yep. Fingers are freezing.
And so we're gonna end the vlog here today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.